What if your robot vacuum didn't just clean your floors, but cleaned itself too? Meet the new iRobot Roomba Plus 415X, and it might be the closest thing to a fully hands-free cleaning robot yet. The Roomba Plus 415X vacuums and mops at the same time with powerful 2.8x stronger suction and DualClean spinning mop pads that scrub twice as deep. Got dried spills, muddy paw prints, or kitchen messes? SmartScrub adds extra pressure to break them down without you lifting a finger. It also knows when it's approaching carpet, automatically lifting its mop pads by 10 millimeters so your rugs stay dry. Navigation is powered by ClearView LiDAR, letting it map your home, avoid cords, shoes, toys, and clean room by room with precision. And here's where it gets crazy. The AutoWash Dock empties the dustbin, re-washes the mop pads during cleaning, heat dries them at 113 degrees Fahrenheit, refills water, and can keep cleaning with minimal maintenance for up to 3 months. It's even 46% slimmer than the previous 405 model, making it easier to reach under couches and beds where dust usually hides. Imagine coming home after weeks of busy schedules and your floors still look freshly cleaned every single day. That's the promise of the Roomba Plus 415X. The real question isn't whether it can clean your home, it's whether you're finally ready to stop cleaning it yourself.